Learning how to sew can be incredibly rewarding, but finding the right sewing machine as a beginner isn't always easy. With so many models offering dozens of stitches, confusing features, and a wide price range, it's easy to feel overwhelmed before you even get started. That's why in this video, we're sharing our picks for the top 6 best sewing machines for beginners in 2025. These models are simple to use, reliable, and packed with just the right features to help you build skills without overcomplicating things. Links to all the machines mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Singer Stylist 7258. If you're a beginner looking for a sewing machine that's easy to use but still offers room to grow, the Singer Stylist 7258 is a solid starting point. It's designed for users who want more than just the basics, but without being overwhelmed by complexity. With 100 built-in stitches, including essential utility, stretch, and decorative options, it gives you the flexibility to take on everything from simple alterations to light quilting or craft projects. The stitch selection process is straightforward thanks to its push-button controls and a bright LCD screen that clearly displays your settings. It also includes a start-stop button and speed control slider, which is perfect if you're not comfortable using a foot pedal yet. These features give new users more control, especially during slower, detail-oriented work. Other helpful touches include an automatic needle threader, a top drop and bobbin system with a clear cover, and programmable needle up-down positioning, which comes in handy when turning corners or pivoting fabric. The machine also runs quietly and delivers smooth, consistent stitching on light to medium-weight fabrics like cotton or polyester blends. That said, the Singer Stylist 7258 isn't the best choice for heavy-duty sewing. If you're working with thick denim layers or leather, you may find it struggles to maintain stitch quality. But for most beginner projects, it offers a great balance of features, ease of use, and build quality at a reasonable price. Number 5. Baby Lock Zest. The Baby Lock Zest is a no-fuss mechanical sewing machine made for beginners who want something simple and dependable to get started. With just 15 built-in stitches, it focuses on the essentials, like straight, zigzag, and stretch stitches, without adding features that might confuse someone who's just learning. It's the kind of machine that lets you focus on mastering the basics without getting distracted by too many extras. Weighing around 13 pounds, the Zest is lightweight and easy to carry or store, making it a great option for dorms, apartments, or anyone short on space. The dial-based stitch selector and manual tension adjustment are both straightforward and easy to get the hang of. While it uses a front-loading bobbin, which might take a little practice to get used to, many new users find it manageable after a few tries. This machine is ideal for basic sewing tasks like hemming pants, patching clothes, simple alterations, and small craft projects. The internal metal frame helps keep it steady while sewing and adds a level of durability that gives you confidence as you work. It does have some limitations though. There's no automatic needle threader or speed control slider, and decorative stitch variety is limited. If you're looking for fancier stitch work or added automation, this one may feel a little too stripped down. But if your priority is learning the fundamentals on a reliable machine, the Baby Lock Zest delivers exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Number 4. Brother HC1850. The Brother HC1850 is a favorite among beginners for one simple reason. It's affordable, easy to use, and doesn't cut corners where it counts. With 27 built-in stitches that include utility, decorative, and stretch options, it gives you just enough variety to experiment with different types of projects without becoming overwhelming. It's a solid choice for anyone just starting out and looking to handle everyday sewing with ease. One standout feature, especially for a model in this price range, is the one-step buttonhole function. That's something you don't usually find on budget machines, and it makes garment sewing feel a lot more approachable. It also has an automatic needle threader and a top drop and bobbin with a clear cover, which takes a lot of the frustration out of setup and helps you monitor your thread supply while sewing. Weighing just over 12 pounds, it's compact enough to store in a closet or cabinet and light enough to carry to sewing classes or a friend's house. The LED light above the sewing area is bright and helpful, especially if you're working in the evening or with darker fabrics. It also comes with 6 presser feet, which cover most beginner needs like zippers, buttonholes, and narrow hems. It's best suited for basic to moderate sewing. Think clothing repairs, crafts, and light home decor. If you plan to sew multiple layers of thick fabric or heavier materials like canvas, it may struggle. But for general everyday sewing, the HC1850 offers reliable performance at a price that's hard to beat. Number 3. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X strikes a great balance between simplicity and versatility, making it a strong pick for beginners who want a little more functionality without jumping into something overwhelming. It's a computerized sewing machine with 70 built-in stitches, including options for quilting, decorative designs, heirloom stitches, and the basics like straight and zigzag. This makes it a great fit for anyone looking to explore more than just the fundamentals. Its backlit LCD screen is easy to read, and stitch selection is done through responsive push buttons, which helps eliminate the guesswork that comes with manual dials. The automatic needle threader has also been upgraded from previous models, more reliable and quicker to use, which is a big plus when threading starts to feel tedious. The built-in free arm lets you work on sleeves, cuffs, and pant hems with ease, and the included wide extension table gives you extra space for quilting or larger fabric pieces. It comes with 10 presser feet out of the box, covering everything from zippers to buttonholes to walk-in foot quilting. The drop-in bobbin system is jam-resistant and easy to monitor through the clear cover. At around 14 pounds, it's a little heavier than some other beginner machines, but that added weight gives it more stability, especially during faster stitching or larger projects. There is a slight learning curve if this is your first computerized machine. Navigating the screen and remembering stitch settings can take some getting used to. But once you're familiar with the controls, the CS7000X becomes an incredibly useful machine to grow with. Number 2. Brother ST371HD. If you're a beginner who plans to sew more than just light cotton or craft fabric, the Brother ST371HD is a great place to start. Designed as a heavy-duty option, it's built to handle tougher jobs without being too complex for someone just learning the ropes. With 37 built-in stitches, including utility, stretch, blind hem, and a few decorative options, it gives you solid versatility for most beginner-level sewing and mending. One of the standout features here is the strong metal needle plate, which provides added stability when working with thicker materials. The machine also comes with a set of heavyweight needles, making it easier to sew through denim, canvas, and even light leather. It's a great pick if you see yourself hemming jeans, repairing workwear, or making utility items like tote bags or aprons. Despite its heavier-duty design, it's still very approachable. It uses a simple stitch selection dial instead of a digital screen, so you won't need to scroll through menus or learn computerized settings. There's a top drop-in bobbin for easy threading, and it includes an automatic needle threader to save time and reduce frustration. It also comes with 6 presser feet, including options for zippers, buttonholes, and even a non-stick foot for trickier fabrics. The machine has a solid, durable build, but it's still manageable for a beginner. Just keep in mind it's not the best match for delicate fabrics or projects that require more advanced decorative stitching. But if your priority is strength, reliability, and ease of use on thicker materials, the ST371HD offers excellent value. Number 1. Brother HC1850. The Brother HC1850 earns the top spot on our list because it packs in the most features while still being approachable for beginners. Whether you're starting with basic sewing or planning to move into quilting, this machine offers a lot of value and a lightweight and user-friendly design. Weighing around 10 pounds, it's easy to carry or store, yet it doesn't feel flimsy during use. With 185 built-in stitches, including 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes and a full set of alphanumeric stitches, it's built for versatility. From everyday sewing to monogramming, home decor, and free-motion quilting, there's room here for you to grow your skills over time. The bright backlit LCD screen helps you navigate stitch options and settings quickly. Stitch selection is done with push-button controls, and you also get adjustable sewing speed and needle position, which allows for more control during precision tasks. The machine easily switches between regular sewing and quilting, thanks in part to the included wide quilting table and spring-action quilting foot. It also features a top drop-in bobbin system, an automatic needle threader, and adjustable feed dogs, features that add both convenience and versatility. These little touches help reduce the learning curve while also supporting more advanced projects as your confidence builds. If there's one thing to note, it's that the wide range of options can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But for those who want a machine they won't outgrow quickly, the HC1850 is a solid long-term investment and a great all-rounder for beginners ready to learn and level up. That wraps up our list of the best sewing machines for beginners in 2025. Each of these models offers a unique set of strengths, whether you're focused on basic repairs, crafting, or learning to quilt. The best choice comes down to the kind of sewing you plan to do and how much room you want to grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let us know in the comments which machine you're considering. Product links are in the description below.